St Vincent's has an amazing history, 40 years of transplantation. The first hospital to implant the mechanical hearts, the first hospital to do the heart transplants in Australia. And this is the first time that someone with a total artificial heart of this sort has gone home in the world, and so really it is world leading. We've been working towards this for many years. In this case, the patient had a very weak left side and right side of the heart, and so we didn't have any other option really. He was in what we call heart failure, where his fluid builds up and he can't walk any distance, walk less than 10, 15 metres before becoming very short of breath. This kind of technology is a real game changer. Our patient's up and about, he's walking around, he is doing things that he hasn't been able to do for many years.
It's just another day in the office for St Vincent's. We're always at the forefront of this sort of cardiovascular stuff. So when Bivacor are interested in getting this out into humans, we were, top of their list to come down and get it done. It's a complete game changer. It's a device that solves a lot of the problems that we have with mechanical circulatory support. So this device is very easy to implant, very straightforward to run, and works exceptionally well. So our first patient was a difficult one. There were a few curveballs thrown at us, but he's done very well. He's now out of hospital, which is the first in the world. He's living independently and looking forward to his transplant. And of course, he's in a much better shape than he was before he got the Bivacor in. So he'll go into the transplant in good shape and alive.